In this lesson, we're going to take a look at how to add a Genesis box to your posts. Now, many of you may have seen a box at the end of a Genesis-powered website or at the end of a post of a Genesis-powered website that either gives information about the author or it has other information such as affiliate links. And maybe you've seen Chris Brogan's site or ProBlogger, and at the end of their post it says something like Chris Brogan runs in the Genesis framework. Now what we're going to do is we're going to see how exactly we can add this box to the end of every single one of our posts. So the first thing we're going to do, number one, is we're going to create the content. So we're going to create a file and we're just going to call it genesisbox.php. And we're going to place some code into it. And the code can be anything you want. It can be, like I said, a little bio about the author. It could be some affiliate links, pretty much whatever you want to put in there, right? You can modify the text however you like it. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to save that file and we're going to upload it to our child themes folder. So make sure it's in the child theme you're using. And like I said, we're going to call it genesisbox.php. The next thing we need to do is we need to include this box on all of our single posts. And we're going to do this by hooking the content of genesisbox.php into our child theme. So we're going to open up our child themes functions.php file and we're going to place the following code into it. So we're going to add an action. And the action is going to be the function which is going to be called include Genesis box. We're going to add the hook, which is called Genesis after post content. If you're curious what hooks are, we have a great video and other tutorial that's on our site here that you can take a look at. So the location we're going to hook this content to is after the post content. And we can see the function there is going to do a conditional check if it is a single page. We're going to require that genesisbox.php is loaded in after the post content. The last thing you may want to do is to style the Genesis box to match the look of your site. And we have some sample CSS here that you can use to style the Genesis box, and be sure that you add it to your child themes style.css file. Obviously, we don't know exactly how your site looks, but you can use any one of these. And if you're using our themes, some of these other different colors here may work very well for you. And that's how to add a Genesis box to your posts.